Well, I would like to talk about my biology teacher, Mr. Win, who sets a good example for me in protecting the environment. He didn't just teach us from books, but he also showed us documentaries about global warming and the long-term consequence of pollution. He was truly uh, environmental act- activists in our school. Vitamin is really helpful and supportive in our learning. He also really dedicated to his career, so he encouraged me to adopt an eco-friendly lifestyle. For instance, he taught us to avoid single-use plastics, which made from non-recycled materials and hard to be biodegraded. Um, he also advised me and my classmates to start a small cycling project in our classroom. For example, we have some bus that collects paper from old paper from other students. Then we can recycle them for other purpose. Mm, Beethoven also showed us how to save energy and use renewable source of energy such as wind power or solar power from the sun. I feel really grateful for his lessons. Thanks to him, I am now more environmentally conscious and always tries my best to reduce my carbon footprint every day.